In this video, we will learn how to install the current MySQL version on Windows 11. Let us start. First, go to the web browser. On Google, type MySQL and hit enter. After hitting enter, click on the following website. So this is the official website of MySQL, that is mysql.com. Okay, when you'll go here, you'll directly get the following announcement for the current versions. But I'll go to downloads. Click on the downloads menu. Go below. Click MySQL community downloads. After clicking here, click MySQL community server. Here is the current version, that is the LTS version, long-term support, and it automatically detected that we are on Microsoft Windows. Here two versions are visible. I'll go for the MSI installer, which is the following 174 MB. Click the download button. After reaching here, click no thanks, just start my download. The download started, let's wait. We have downloaded the installer file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Click open, minimize. The setup started, click next. Accept the terms, click next. Choose setup type, I'll click custom. This will install MySQL server and the MySQL files will get stored here. Not a problem, click next. Click install. MySQL will get installed. I'll click finish and it will automatically run MySQL configurator. Click finish. MySQL configurator is visible, click next. This is the data directory where your databases will get saved. Click next. Type and networking is visible, the port number is 3306. Click next. You need to set the root password for MySQL. What is root? Root is the admin. So add a password. We have added the password. Click next. Windows service is visible. No errors. So click next. Server file permissions. Yes, you need to grant full access. Click next. Sample databases are visible. Do you want to create the sample databases? I don't think it is required. It's your choice. Click next. Apply configuration. Click execute. Now one by one it will execute and MySQL will get installed. We have installed MySQL. Click next. Click finish. Now let us set the path. Go to the location where we installed MySQL. It was in C drive, program files, MySQL, bin. Copy this path. Minimize. Go to start. Type environment variables. Click open under edit the system environment variables. Go to environment variables. Under system variables, double click path. Click new and paste the same path. Click OK. OK and the last OK. Now go to start. Type cmd. Click open. Let us verify the installation. Type MySQL -- version and hit enter. We successfully installed the current MySQL version. Now let us start the server. Type MySQL -u root -p. What is -u here? This means the root user. Remember, our default user was root and -p means the password. Now when I'll hit enter, you need to enter your password. Enter the same password which you created before. I'll hit enter. MySQL started. Now let us check the default databases by typing the command show databases. These are the default databases. Let us quickly create a new database using the create database command. Whatever you'll write after database will be your database name. So let's say our database name is AmitDB. You can add any name. Hit enter. This means that we successfully created a new database. We were having 4 databases. Now we have 5 databases, okay, because we added AmitDB database. Now let us type the command show databases and hit enter. This shows that we successfully created AmitDB database. For a free MySQL tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.